Ladies and freaking gentlemen, back here with another video. I'm actually pumping them out pretty quickly, which I'm pretty proud of myself for. But this four-wheeler is about to change drastically. As y'all can tell by the title and thumbnail, I'm getting brand new tires. Not brand new, new to me. And I think it's going to completely change the look of this thing. Which I've already changed the look of it last night, and I just finished it this morning. If you couldn't tell, there's no more wet sounds and rage fab out here. So, which I think it makes it look a lot cleaner. So, what I'm about to do now, this is just me filming the intro. So I can get more, trying to get more serious about my YouTube videos and, you know, make them good quality and kind of not copying. Not really copying, but kind of taking things that some of my role models do. You know, good intros, good quality edits and transitions and all kinds of stuff. And talking to the camera a lot. But what we're about to do now is get these tires off. I'll film that. But yeah, we're about to take these tires off, jack it up, put it on stands, and then head out of here and go get these new tires. So I can't wait to get them. Can't wait to see what they look like on. And another thing, real quick, since the last video, I actually fired the rock lights up to a switch. There, they're on now. One of them still doesn't work, and it's that one, which I'm a little upset about. But the front all works and it looks good. So there's that. So I'm real excited about that. But go ahead and put you guys on a tripod and let's get these tires taken off.
Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream. I just wanna dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. I just wanna dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give.
It's always a good thing whenever you're taking wheels off, if you're leaving them off for a good while or whatever, or really just anytime. It's always good just to kind of start your lug nuts so that you don't lose them. So that's what I'm doing now. But as you can see, all the tires are off and just about ready to go. This thing is gonna look totally different here after a while. I really like these tires a lot. It's just that these new ones are just gonna be so much better. Which I keep saying this, trying to hide them, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put it in the thumbnail, in the title. But I am super stoked and so excited to get this thing going. So I'll pick the camera back up whenever I'm on the way up there. Meeting about 30 minutes, 25, 30 minutes away. So I'll pick the camera up then. All right, y'all. I know the lighting's horrible in here and you can really only see half of my face, but we are officially on the way up to the gas station where I'm meeting the guy with my new tires, and just got the tires loaded in the bed of the truck. So got about a 15-minute drive up there. I can already kind of feel them. My tires are moving around in the back, but it's okay. But yeah, I'm on the way up there, so super stoked, ready to see what these things look like, and really especially to get them back and put on the four-wheeler. I'm really excited to see how they look, how they turn out. I think they're gonna look amazing. It's gonna completely change the look in my opinion. So that's about it for now. So I'll pick the camera back up when I can. All right, y'all, we just got done trading tires or whatever. They're pulling off now, but here they are. 29.5 Assassinators on some stock Can-Am wheels. Can't see very much because it's dark, but these things are pretty much brand new. They got a lot of nipples on them, so. But yeah, we're about to head back to the house, go ahead and throw them on, and I will pick the camera back up then. So I'm really excited to see what these things look like and see how they ride, how they do in the mud, you know, all the good stuff. So, but yeah, I'll pick the camera back up whenever I get home and start putting them on. What are you getting into now? Oh yeah. So here we are, just got home, got all the tires unloaded. This is a tire that I've always wanted, and they are just, they speak for themselves, I will say. All the reviews and what everybody says, the lugs on them, like a broken record, but the lugs on them are just insane. I mean, they're crazy. So we're about to throw them all on and see what this thing looks like. I'm really excited for this. All right, y'all, here it is. First tire on, and this thing looks sick. It looks so good. The front are 8 wide on these stock Can-Am wheels, the all black, which I was kind of nervous about, but I think I'm gonna like this look. And obviously it's still jacked up, but it looks like a lot taller. Like the gap and all that looks a lot bigger. So I'm really excited. So I'm gonna put the other 3 on. I'm not gonna film it because it's not really no point, but this thing's gonna be on point. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. I just got all 3 of them, or all 4 of them, mounted up out here on the trails, and words cannot describe these tires. They are top of the line, just absolutely aggressive, meaty, all the words. I really wasn't expecting anything because I've heard many people talk about them on Can-Ams and Polarises and all kinds of stuff, but these things really do. They just eat and they crawl. They are, I can't say enough good things about them so far. I just put them on and just started riding around, but they look fantastic, and I am so happy that I finally got my hands on a set. So, and it looks really good with the rock lights on too, as y'all can see. But these things just eat sand and all that stuff. It looks 10 times better. It's honestly probably raised up a good 3 or 4 inches, which is crazy because it's the same size tire as my Outlaw 2s, but it's just, these are just massive and they look great. So I'm about to get back to the house, ride around the trails just a little bit more, and then I'll get back with y'all in a minute. y'all. As you can tell by my hair, I just went riding around a little bit, and all I can say is, wow. These tires pull, and they're perfect. I love them. I really can't complain. Kenny's looking at me like I'm a retard. She's in her new car.
Don't put me in the video, please.
She's in the video again. But there they are. There's the four-wheeler. Traded them for the old Outlaw 2s. It looks insane, if you ask me. And it looks a lot better. I took the speaker and the Rage pad mount off. Looks really good. So I'll throw some little edits and clips of it. But other than that, that's about it for the video. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate all the support I get. It really means a lot. Keeps me going. Makes me want to make more content. Especially with these now. I think a lot of people are going to want to see these. See them in action. See how I ride. So yeah, that'll do it for this video. See y'all.